So the first meditation technique I wanted to share with you is just a super simple one about smiling. So I'll go for just about 2 minutes, like just keeping it super short and simple, but of course you can keep going for as long as you want once you've tried it out. Alright, so smiling. Now I think this is something that Thich Nhat Hanh, the meditation teacher, is like the master at. He always teaches different smiling techniques and encourages people to smile no matter what meditation they're doing. So if you want to just try it now, so just gently closing your eyes and just bringing a little smile to your face. It doesn't need to be a big cheesy smile, but just making a bit of a smile in the corners of your mouth. And just notice as soon as you do that, it changes your whole feeling in your body. It has a big effect on us to smile. And it feels great. And then you can bring that smile down into your heart. So bring your attention down into your chest, into your heart. See if you can smile from your heart, allowing your whole heart to smile. It starts to fill your whole body. So smiling on the outside, but also on the inside. Yeah, and then you can allow that smile to kind of spread throughout your whole body. Smiling with your whole body. That's all you need to do, just smiling and relaxing. Beautiful. Great, so that was the first meditation, and I think it's a beautiful one to practice. It really helps make your meditation practice more enjoyable, and you can kind of bring that smiling into lots of different meditation practices. All right, let's get on to the next meditation.